Okay, this is going to be our third video. As you can see, we're in a little storage room here. We have storm and sanitary backwater valves on the sanitary side. The flap's no longer there. As you can see, we also have storm and sanitary cleanouts downstream of those. We are going to try and televise the main sewer. We've put a 4-inch centering 6-inch centering guide on. We're not sure if we're going to be able to get it through. We want to get a good look at the 6-inch clay tile. Is what we're trying to accomplish here. We'd like to have our camera centered we may not be able to get it. Okay. Alright, we've made the sewer now, and you can see this is the transition to the clay tile. Okay, as you can see, we do have, you can see a little bit of the scale from the 3-inch cast iron stack that's in the bottom here, just in some areas that hold just a slight amount of water. You can see the sewer itself is in good shape. It's when we get out around 50 feet, I believe we're going to see the calcite. I'm hoping that we can get the fingers that we're using as a centering guide to push through. I'm trying to keep us above water that's past this point so we can see how the sewer ties in, but this gives you a good look at the amount of calcite, and you can actually see it's an active dripper. You can see there is a section that's open for stuff to flow through, but not very much, as with any sewer we keep ourselves concerned from 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock as the flow area. Okay, we were able to get our camera through. Okay, and as you can see, now we've got a much better visual to what we're looking at. As you can see, this is the tie-in to the main sewer, and you can see the main sewer is actually holding about a half a pipe of water. And as you can see, we have a large amount of calcite as well right at the connection to the main. You can see here's the one joint. And here's the main itself. So this does give us a lot better view of the sewer and what's going on with the sewer. We also want to contact the city and let them know the amount of water that's holding in the sewer could possibly be a potential issue. Does appear that it has flow, but the water level does appear higher than normal. We're going to see if we can get our lens a little clearer here, and then we will go ahead and pull back. We will continue our recording. You can definitely see that right before the main, we do start to hold some water in the sewer. You see is here we pulled back through the calcite. Again, going in, we were able to get a good visual of it. When we pull back like this, the fingers sometimes pinch back. As you can see, it's got us looking more at the top of the pipe at this point. But we did get a good look at the sewer. To be able to assess the sewer itself. It's got just some calcite really that needs to be removed. Other than that, it would just need flushing from the cast iron descaling of the building drain. The 4-inch stack that's in the corner by the meter, and then also the 3-inch stack that's over by the in the big room over at the other end. So we've done all 3 lines through the cleanouts. And you can see that we have various issues that we're dealing with. Here we're pulling back into the 4-inch. As you can see, this cast iron has a little bit of buildup to it, but it's nowhere near as bad as the 3-inch or 4-inch building drains inside. You can hear our centering guides pulling against the cast iron. Again, we did use a 6-inch guide in the front just so we could get a good look at the 6-inch clay tile. This will end this recording.